Welcome to the channel Millionaire's Path. Today we will look into the movement FIRE, which really has come forward in the last couple of years. So, what is this so-called FIRE movement? It stands for Financial Independence Retire Early. The purpose of the movement is to invest and save money in an aggressive way, which in some cases allows people to retire at the age of only 30. How are people able to do this? People who are following the principles of the FIRE movement can keep their expenses very low. Examples. For instance, you can sell your car and take the bus instead, getting rid of any subscriptions that are not needed. In general, considering whether things are nice to have or need to have. When following this principle, these people are making a bigger gap between their costs and their income. This enables them to invest in stocks and real estate. With the combined low expenses and their income being invested, it allows them to build and generate multiple income streams besides their day job. They earn money from stock investments when dividends or the stocks are sold with profit. They receive payments from tenants and there is a possibility that their real estate value increases. When following the principles, the extra sources of income will slowly but surely begin to be a real alternative to a day job, and will therefore provide the financial freedom many are seeking. This means that they eventually can quit their day job and instead live off their passive income streams such as dividends and renting from real estate, which combined with a low cost of living enables them to retire early and gain financial freedom. With that being said, what are the pros and cons? Pros: opportunity to skip the job market before average retirement, possibilities to have more free time, seeing friends, family, etc. The flexibility to structure your days as you want it, less stressful. Cons: the FIRE movement is not for everyone. It takes hard and dedicated work to live for a low cost. It takes years, and there are no quick fixes. When first retired, getting back on the job market can be difficult. It is clear to say that FIRE is a long-term perspective and the movement is not suited for everyone. Therefore, it is important to consider the pros and cons if considering whether the movement is something for you or not. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want more videos about financial freedom.